Yeah, leverage nation. So we just get the bait then. How much you get?
3 dozen.
3 dozen. Ah, them something there. How them be?
Shrimp.
Leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. Not the leverage. Not the leverage, yeah. My dog got the leverage. Alright.
Well, welcome back to Leverage Boss TV. You don't know, so your boy Eclips, and today we don't know, so we have an edition, special edition, a vlog, fishing vlog. So you don't know, so yo, we are go on the, where me I go? We are stop at one store to see if we get no bait or whatnot, and then we go run the fishing, you know. So follow up on the journey. You don't know anything go. Leverage. Start up the machine, is it? Don't know anything go. So yeah, leverage nation. Just follow the journey, you don't know. That. Yeah, so leverage nation right now. I feel like we are go to bums and get one of them fishing rod there, but I don't know, say we are not fisherman, so just get one of them little reel in here. Yeah, so we're reaching a Walmart right now, so when I just get this, we do some fishing. One of them. Get one of them sitting there. You see me? We have wire already, so we are just wire him up. You see his leverage. So we are head out and stop at the bait shop and then stop somewhere and just go do some fishing. You know your leverage. Yeah, so leverage nation, we not even know the timing, we not even know about the timing right now. It's kinda late and we're there right now over there at the bait shop. Right there, so Atlantic bait and tackle, you know. We're going in the store, go and try to see if we can get some bait. So you know, look here.
Let me catch it.
Right then I can. Oh no.
So I say if I say lucky carry.
No, I got luck. Yeah, so right now leverage nation we just go and get some. We're gonna get some bait. Yeah. So with all type of things. Oh no, I'm not really feel tired to say, but I'm not really a fishing person, but I just enjoy the road Yeah, I get.
This she doesn't shrink.
What is?
This a hook I'm gonna use. I'm gonna go to use.
That bigger bucket's $20 and the bigger one's 26.
Right.
5 gallon about the aerator is $5.
You sit down on the reverse of going. Which size is it? On the 32 or 16? On the 16. Even you realize that yellow snapper logo they got funny.
So that good for?
Just the color it help. It just help display the I don't know how to put this.
Or for seating in the water or something?
Not just that. It's like the weight included upon it. The weight included upon it. It's just a whole small book. And fish them just lighting for some reason. One on a few charters. They put the live stream on it. Make the fish them.
So a bit there I get.
Shrimp? Yeah, I'm at 3 dozen.
$22.96.
Where we get so much bait for?
How much you
Oh,
think
it's
is my
alright. That are the bait
Where
people.
you guys going?
Hillsborough.
The inlet? Restaurant card?
Yeah, but there's no cash. Hard cash.
Oh yeah, me put the rest on the card.
We work too, brother. Do you have a gap? $80 for these new ones.
Yeah, we have gas. Over here.
You gonna gap the target?
There you go, brother.
On the top?
Oh yeah, those will work too. Those sea stripes. Yeah. Let's do that one.
I need to sign.
This one work? Yeah, that'll work.
Want the receipt, dude?
Yeah. Alright, thanks. Alright. Yeah, leverage nation. So we just get the bait then. How much you get?
3 dozen.
3 dozen. Them something there. How them be?
Shrimp.
So 3 dozen shrimp. And I think we have to use half of that. Looks like a all night thing. Hopefully we can get some good lighting, but that tight. So we go at the fishing spot right now and show you what I'm going. You see me? That's a leverage. Alright, leverage nation, reach at the fishing spot. Some part near Hillsborough or something, but at night now it's dark, so I don't know if you can see me. But we are walk around it, so you know. Hold on, 1 second. So back again, leverage nation. Hopefully I'm going to highlight a little bit. So yeah, they're on beach here. We are going on one bridge. Hopefully we can see. If not, we just cut it out right back to you. So I don't know the leverage. So leverage nation, we walk around and say, you know, excuse for the windy. So start out that. soon, sir. So we are. I can't really see nothing car at night now.
Alright, stop at the end of the thing, okay?
But yeah, big building right there. So walk around here, so underneath the bridge we are going, you know? See if we can see the boy clear. Reach at the water, yeah. Guess underneath the bridge, I don't know where you find that style, yeah. I don't know if you can see it, but yeah, leverage nation, see that? That's at the pier. Water underneath the bridge. See that? Fisherman a try catch something.
No fish so far. So it's dry. Not even a bite. But we're not lose hope, you know? Nah, lose hope.
Nah, lose hope. So, leverage nation. You know, say we're out here on a fishing at night hours. I wonder if we can catch nothing on a show, no? You know? We just there going to hold a vibe, same way. Oh, and one thing again, you know, I guess recently, I don't know if a long time. Yeah, leverage nation. So recently, I don't know if a long time, but you have to have your fishing license to go fish. You see it? Yeah, you can't just fish out here, you have to have a license. But I guess there's a website where they can get them one, they're free starters, so I guess. I don't really know. Yeah. Nothing.
No.
Yes. So we'll stay there, try to see if we can catch nothing in the night for the vlog.
Yeah, I want some shot.
So leverage nation, boy. There for a good one now. Look like nothing now go on, you know. Yeah, babe. Me if you tone him down, but they don't know anything going on. Leverage, you know. Yeah, man. So we're there. Fort Lauderdale, east side by the beach area, but in the night I would say we'd have tried some fishing, but I don't know, look like feel objective. We have to just go and see still. Maybe the next day we do maybe part few or so. But we'll see we're going if we catch nothing now. But see boy clear over there so there. Underneath the bridge with there. Boy clear over there so. See him line it up. I'm a real boss, but yeah, leverage nation, I don't know a thing go. Well all I see right I say. I know say right now. I know right I say you know, a car pass on the road and come around underneath the bridge, you know. Some boat over there so too. But yeah man. You know a part of the daily vlog we just go and see. Go and keep on posted on the channel, you know. You don't know so we are working. Yeah man. Remember people do remember for us like, comment, share up the video. Yeah man, subscribe, yeah, cause on the road you know see, yo, we soon reach 100 subscribers, you know. We have a video for that when it reach there so. Yeah man, but you don't know. We just do it because you know our personal thing, our lifestyle we have video man. We explain about all of that for the 100 subscriber. We do a little, you know, explanation about that. But right now we just there. I go on easy. I watch the boy clear. Because we not get nothing, you know, so I see it. We might try to hook up. We might try to hook up. Where you try to hook up?
New hook on line.
The hook on line.
Just a weighted hook. Drop some live shrimp down there.
That's it, man. Yes, so leverage nation, we're there right just underneath the bridge. I try to do some fishing right near Hillsborough side underneath the bridge. I don't know what kind of sitting this, but you don't know a thing going on. That's a leverage. Sometimes we do things when it makes sense. You know a thing come. Yeah man. Right now we not even have the proper light, I don't know what I'm to. So I try to use the phone light and the camera light, you know a thing go. Yeah. Boy.
What are you saying to me?
What you look for?
That means someone in my pocket, you know.
Yeah, that should hook them. You hook them the people. We don't have all a headlamp in a leverage nation, but we're not use it. I don't know yet. Maybe next time, cause
Show him go bad boy alive.
show the people them how you put the hook, the shrimp on the hook.
So you have the live shrimp and hook him through the bottom.
Never that. Why?
Right like that. Just like that.
Simple.
Simple. Just drop him on. Give him the freedom.
Hey, just drop him down so.
Yeah.
You know, swing out. Why not fling him out there?
Like just give him free line and making a room. You know?
You see, you should fling him out there, some man.
He might go swim.
Or a base stone out there, so.
See, look, watch.
Oh.
When you're ready for move, we'll move it and become free.
Alright, Leverage Nation, we make you know where I go on. If we catch nothing or not, we just there I go on. Wait, you know, patience. Yeah, so Leverage Nation, I guess that's will I get late. Guess how much swimmer on the catch. Guess how much swimmer on the catch. We catch less than one. Yeah, man, but I don't know how it go for the thing, man. Next time I just forward out there and do it the right way. I guess you kinda too early, you know, say certain time them swim around certain place, but I just you want to test out the waters and say maybe we'll go somewhere else next time, maybe we'll go to the same spot, but you know a leverage, man. Just a quick one for sure, you know. The fishing night we'll go at the store. We try to get tired, but we never work out. And yeah, we just use one we have. And not a that, man. So you know, until next time, leverage, leverage, leverage.